Hi, let's make a tunnel card of a squirrel with a corn. This is a very cute, simple, beautiful tunnel card and it's quite simple to make also. Welcome to my channel Versova Hobbies. We'll require a cutting mat, 3 pages of A4 size 120 to 180 GSM, PVA glue, paper cutter, empty or dried up ballpoint pen, ruler, scale, a scissor and specs if you need it. We'll take the first page of our printout and score out all the fold lines. Luckily there's only 2 lines to be scored. The rest of the lines are reference lines. After some time, the edge of the blade becomes blunt. With the help of the back side, we will remove the tip of the blade. This tip of the blade, though blunt, can harm anyone and so it is dangerous. So what I usually do, I wrap it up in a piece of paper and seal it with glue. This way it won't hurt me or the garbage man. Now we will cut out all the cut lines. Scissors and cutters, though very useful tools, have very sharp edges also. So we have to be extra cautious and alert when we are using them. And we have to be extra cautious when children are around because they might get hold of them and might injure themselves or someone. It's always advisable to slide the blade inside its protective sheath when we are not using it. This part is a waste. However, we can utilize this in making some other papercraft work like making some greeting card. Scoring and folding with the help of a scale or ruler will always give us a very smooth, neat fold lines. With the help of a scale, we can fold all the fold lines. We can give sharp crease to the fold lines with the help of a blunt piece of plastic. We'll take second printout page and repeat the same steps, means score out all the fold lines and then we'll cut out all the cut lines. It is always advisable, and it's my personal experience also, to cut all the finer details first. A humble request, kindly don't ask for any free templates. For any help, guidance, query or suggestions, feel free to email me at versovahobbies@gmail.com or mention it in the comments section below please. The do-it-yourself items or handmade items like this one carry more weightage because you have taken the pains and spent time in making it. Sometimes these handmade items don't turn out to be as perfect as a store-bought card. Still, you will get more appreciation from the one whom you have gifted it. Now we'll give the valley folds to all the fold lines. Now we will take the third page and repeat the same. Means first we'll score out all the fold lines, then we will cut out all the cut lines. We'll make valley folds along the fold lines. Kindly note that the rear page will not have a valley fold. Both the edges will have mountain folds. Now we will take page 1 of 3. Page 1 of 3 is written here. We'll apply PVA glue on the left strip and on the rear side of our printout page. Then we'll align the fold line of page number 1 with the first reference line of the main card. Confirm that the bottom edges of both the pages are properly one over the other. Now we can safely smoothen the glued portion and paste it. Now choose page 2 of 3. Align the second reference line of main page with the fold line of page number 2. Apply PVA glue on the strip. Position the page in such a way that the reference line and fold lines match each other and the bottom also are properly aligned. Now smoothen the glued portion. Repeat with page 3 of 3. Third reference line of main page should align with the fold line of page number 3. Apply glue. Position it properly and paste. Now we will take the portion which is marked as rear page. Place the rear page beside the main page in such a way that the fold line of the rear page aligns with the edge of the main page. Apply glue on the strip of rear page and attach it to the main page. Now apply PVA glue on the other edges of page number 1, page number 2 and page number 3. Fold the main page and paste it over the glued portions. Apply glue as shown. Tuck the glued portion underneath the other side of the page and paste it. Congratulations! Our tunnel card of a squirrel with acorn is ready for display. Space is provided between page number 3 and rear page. We can install LED lights of our choice in this portion. We can use colored papers and colored lights to make a unique gift. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest.